వెల్కమ్ టు భువికా స్టడీస్. మనం ఈరోజు ఈ వీడియోలో ఆర్ఆర్బి ఎన్టీపీసీ మిషన్ ఆర్ఆర్బి ఎన్టీపీసీ పార్ట్ 2 డిస్కస్ చేయబోతున్నాం. సో ఎవరైనా కానీ ఈ ఛానల్ని మొదటిసారి విజిట్ చేస్తుంటే ప్లీజ్ లైక్ చేయండి. ఈ వీడియోని ఎండ్ వరకు చూడండి, చాలా యూస్ఫుల్ అవుతుంది. విత్ డీటెయిల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్తో ఈ వీడియో చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. సో ఎవరైనా కానీ మొదటిసారి విజిట్ చేస్తుంటే ప్లీజ్ లైక్ చేయండి, అలాగే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి, మర్చిపోకున్నట్టు గంట సింబల్ని క్లిక్ చేయండి. ఓకే, అలాగే దీనికి సంబంధించిన ఈ వీడియోకి సంబంధించిన పీడిఎఫ్ అనేది మనం కింద టెలిగ్రామ్ లింక్ అనేది ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. సో మీ ఆ లింక్ జాయిన్ అయితే మీకు మనం పీడిఎఫ్ అనేది ఫ్రీగా ప్రొవైడ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. సో మీరు అక్కడ నుంచి డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, విచ్ కంట్రీ విల్ హోస్ట్ ది 2023 Men's Hockey World Cup? Which country will host the 2023 Men's Hockey World Cup? Answer is India. India will host this tournament. For the 4th time. World Cup is conducted once every 4 years. Okay. Khan Cup, Dayachand Trophy, Indira Gold Cup, Tommy Eamon Gold Cup are also associated with hockey. Men's Hockey World Cup was started in 1971. Recent champion of 2019 is Belgium. సో 2018లో వచ్చేసి బెల్జియం విన్ అవ్వడం జరిగింది. సో దాని తర్వాత అంటే 4 years తర్వాత అంటే 19, 20, 21, 22 తర్వాత 23rd మనకి ఇండియాలో జరగబోతోంది. ఓకే, రీసెంట్లీ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ డే ఆఫ్ క్లీన్ ఎయిర్ ఫర్ బ్లూ స్కై సెలబ్రేటెడ్ ఆన్. రీసెంట్లీ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ డే ఆఫ్ క్లీన్ ఎయిర్ ఫర్ బ్లూ స్కై ఈజ్ celebrated on. Answer is September 7th. The first time it's celebrating on 2020. Decision taken by the 74th session of United Nations to celebrate it on 7th September. United Nations headquarters is New York, USA. Establishment 24th October 1945 and Secretary General is Antonio Guterres. కొన్ని వర్డ్స్ ప్రొనౌన్స్ చేయడానికి కొద్దిగా డిఫికల్ట్గా ఉంటాయి, సో ప్లీజ్ అడ్జస్ట్ చేసుకోండి. విచ్ ప్లేస్ హ్యాస్ ద హైయెస్ట్ రికార్డెడ్ టెంపరేచర్ ఆన్ ద సర్ఫేస్ ఆఫ్ ది ఎర్త్? Which place has the highest recorded temperature on the surface of the earth? Answer is Death Valley, California, USA holds the record of hottest air temperature recorded in 1913. Lowest natural temperature ever recorded on the surface of the earth is 89.2 degree at Watsko Station in Antarctica, recorded in 1983. సో మీరు ఇక్కడ డీటెయిల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది, సో మీరు దీన్ని కూడా నోట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. వాట్ ఈస్ ద కెమికల్ నేమ్ ఆఫ్ ది కామన్ సాల్ట్? ఈజ్ సోడియం క్లోరైడ్. సో కెమికల్ నేమ్స్ అనమాట. సో మార్స్ గ్యాస్ వచ్చేసి మీథేన్, లాఫింగ్ గ్లాస్ వచ్చేసి నైట్రిక్ ఆక్సైడ్, జిప్సమ్ వచ్చేసి కాల్షియం సల్ఫేట్ డైహైడ్రేట్, గ్రాఫైట్ క్రిస్టలిన్ కార్బన్, కార్బోలిక్ యాసిడ్ పెనాల్, బ్లీచింగ్ పౌడర్ కాల్షియం హైపోక్లోరైట్. సో వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్, నోట్ చేసుకోండి. Recently, who is appointed as the president of Federation of Automobile Dealer Association? Recently, who is appointed as the president of Federation of Automobile Dealers Association? Answer is Vignesh Gulati. So 35th president of Federation of Automobile Dealer Association, headquarters is Delhi. establishment is 1964. MD and CEO of Maruti Suzuki is Kenji Akawaga. CEO of BMW is Hardal Karuger. Chairman of Mercedes Benz Ola Kailinius. So it's very important, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. Which of the following is the plant hormone that induces cell division? Answer is cytokines. Which of the following is the plant hormone that induce cell division? Answer is cytokinins. సో రిమైనింగ్ ఆప్షన్స్ గురించి ఇక్కడ డీటెయిల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ఉంది, ఒకసారి వీడియో పాజ్ చేసి చూడండి. Who has appointed as the senior director of Google Cloud in India in June 2020? Who has been appointed as the senior director of Google Cloud in India in June 2020? Answer is Anil Valluri. Anil Valluri. Which of the following Amendment Act reduces the voting age in India from 21 to 18? Which of the following Amendment Act reduces the voting age in India from 21 to 18? Answer is 61 Amendment Act. Answer is 61 Amendment Act. The voting age is reduced from 21 to 18 by 61st Amendment Act 1988. The provision was made by amending Article 326 of Constitution. 13th Amendment Act, the state of Nagaland was formed. 13th is state of Nagaland is formed. 73 Amendment, introduction of Panchayat Raj in India. 101 Amendment, GST tax గురించి, ఇది goods and services introduction. So very important, please note these points all. What is the desert adjoining the Thar desert called in the Pakistan is Rohi. Pakistan is Rohi. And some other options గురించి ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాయి. సో డీటెయిల్గా ఒకసారి చూడండి వీడియో పాస్ చేసి. What is the minimum age required to become a member of Panchayat in India? What is the minimum age required to become a member of Panchayat in India? Answer is about 21 years. Answer is about 21 years. According to the Article 243F of Indian Constitution, Balwartri Mehta Committee recommended Panchayat Raj system in India. Panchayat Raj was established in India by Jawaharlal Nehru. Rajasthan was the first state which implements the Panchayat Raj system in India. 2nd October 1959. 1/3 posts are reserved for women at all levels of Panchayat Raj system. So chala important, note these points all. Recently, product design from Kaleidoscope acquired by whom? Recently, product design from Kaleidoscope acquired by whom? Infosys. Answer is Infosys. Infosys headquarters is Bangalore. Establishment in 1981. CEO is Saleh Parike. President is Ravi Kumar. Wipro CEO is Delta Product. TCH Rajesh Gopinath. Deloitte CEO is Puneet Ranjan. Santosh Trophy is related to which of the following sports? Is related to football. Santosh Trophy is related to football. So some details about football and badminton cups నోట్ చేసుకోండి. In which among the following place National Research Center of Citrus is located? Answer is Maharashtra. In which of the following places National Research Center of Citrus is located? Maharashtra. National Research Center of Citrus is located in Nagpur, Maharashtra. It is the institute for research in citrus fruits and horticulture in India. It was founded on 29 November 1985. Owner of NRCC means National Research of Center for Citrus in Indian Council of Agriculture Research. Brazil country is the top producer of citrus fruit. In which of the following country will be the 2021 World Aquatics Championship postponed to 2022 will be held? Japan. In which of the following countries will be 2021 World Aquatics Championships postponed to 2022 will be held? Japan. Will be held in Japanese city of Fukuoka. Held every 2 years in the odd years. Last champion is 2019 China. 2019 championship held in South Korea. Japan capital Tokyo. Japan currency Japanese yen. Which among the following is a disorder in which blood does not clot normally? Which among the following is a disorder in which blood does not clot normally? Answer is hemophilia. Answer is hemophilia. April 17th is celebrated World Hemophilia Day. 17th April 2020 is the 30th anniversary of World Hemophilia Day. The theme of Hemophilia Day 2020 was Get Plus Involved. Scale cell anemia is a disorder that causes the red blood cells to start breakdown. Thrombophilia increases the risk of blood clotting in blood vessels. Which Indian state is the largest producer of soya bean? In which Indian state is the largest producer of soya bean? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh is the largest producer of soya bean, followed by the Maharashtra and Rajasthan. USA is the world's largest producer of soya bean. Recently, Vodafone Idea changed their brand names. Recently, Vodafone Idea changed their brand names. Answer is V. Answer is V. According to UN World Happiness Report 2020, which is the world's happiest nation? Which is the world's happiest nation? Answer is Finland. Answer is Finland. Okay. So some related about Finland and other options. Brindeshwar temple is located in which of the following state? Brindeshwar temple is located in which of the following Indian states? Answer is Tamil Nadu. So it is located in Tanjavur, Tamil Nadu. Temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva. The temple is in a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This temple is also referred as a Dakshina Meru, means Meru of South. GSLV was used in dash year for first time by ISRO in 2001. GSLV was used on April 18, 2001 for the first time by ISRO. The mission was partially unsuccessful. The first successful mission was carried out in 2003. ISRO full form is Indian Space Research Organization. Headquarters Bengaluru, Karnataka. Established 15th August 1969. Founder is Vikram Sarabhai. Present director is K. Shivan. Which of the following state is the largest producer of turmeric in India? Which of the following state is the largest producer of turmeric in India? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. Answer is Andhra Pradesh. So Andhra Pradesh produce more than 60% of total turmeric produced in India. It is also known as Indian saffron. India is the largest producer and consumer of turmeric. Tamil Nadu is the second largest producer. Which of the following movie won the Oscar Award 2020 for the Best Picture? Which of the following movie won the Oscar Award 2020 for the Best Picture? Answer is Parasite. Answer is Parasite. So this is the first time that the South Korean movie has won the Best Picture in Oscar history. The director of the movie, Bong Joon-ho, also won the Oscar Award for the Best Direction. Oscar Award is famously known as Academic Award. This is the 92nd Oscar Award which was held in Dolby Theaters, Los Angeles. Best Actor Phoenix for Joker. Best Actress Rena Zellweger for Jodie. The Human Development Index was developed by Dash in 1990. The answer is Mohammed Haq Amartya Sen. According to recently released report, which state has the lowest literacy rate? Which state has the lowest literacy rate? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. Answer is Andhra Pradesh. Which among the following is the part of a skull that closes the brain? Answer is cranium. Answer is cranium. It protects our brain from outer damage. Cranium consists of 8 bones. Skull is composed of 2 parts. One is cranium and mandible. సో ఇది అండి మన మిషన్ ఆర్ఆర్బి ఎన్టీపీసీలో పార్ట్ 2 టాప్ 25 క్వశ్చన్స్. సో మీకు కానీ ఈ వీడియో నచ్చితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్ చేయండి, అలాగే వీలైనంత మందికి ఈ వీడియోని షేర్ చేయండి. దీనికి సంబంధించిన పీడిఎఫ్ అనేది మనం కింద డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో టెలిగ్రామ్ లింక్ అనేది ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. సో మీరు ఆ లింక్ ద్వారా మీరు అక్కడ జాయిన్ అయ్యి అక్కడ నుంచి మీరు పీడిఎఫ్ అనేది తీసుకోవచ్చు. సో థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.